Wake up your body with gentle Tai Chi movements that engage your core, support belly and visceral fat reduction, and naturally boost your metabolism, so you can move with more energy, strength, and confidence. Three, 2, 1, begin. Exercise 1. March gently in place, cross your arms in front of your chest, then open both arms wide and raise your hands overhead until your palms meet. This full body movement activates the legs and shoulders, improves circulation, and helps boost metabolism. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 2. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width and extend both arms forward. Bend one forearm inward toward your chest, straighten it again, then alternate sides in a steady rhythm. This movement mobilizes the shoulders and arms, engages the upper back, and supports healthy blood circulation. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 3. March gently in place while bringing your hands together at chest level. Raise them overhead, then open both arms wide and lower them smoothly. This coordinated movement engages the legs and core, promotes circulation, and supports visceral fat reduction. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 4. Stand in a staggered stance with one arm raised and the other lowered behind you. Keep one leg stable while stepping the opposite foot forward and back, coordinating smooth, alternating arm swings. This movement strengthens the legs, stretches the waist and chest, and supports belly fat burning. Switch sides. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 5. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Sweep both arms upward. Cross them in front of your face. Then bend your knees into a gentle squat as you lower your arms and finish with a controlled, forceful stop at shoulder level. This movement strengthens the thighs and glutes, mobilizes the shoulders, and improves lower body circulation. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 6. Stand with your feet apart and reach both arms straight overhead with your hands open. Rise onto your toes as you pull both elbows down toward your shoulders, gently closing your fists. Then, extend upward again. This strengthens the calves, shoulders, and upper back while improving balance and circulation. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 7. Stand on one leg with the opposite foot extended lightly to the side, one hand on your hip and the other reaching overhead. Lift the free knee toward your chest while lowering the raised hand to touch the knee. Then return. This strengthens the core and hips, improves balance, and engages the lower abs. Switch sides. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 8. Stand with your feet wide and hold both forearms in front of your chest. Shift your weight gently from side to side while lowering one elbow and lifting the opposite elbow in rhythm. This movement mobilizes the waist and shoulders, engages the obliques, and improves trunk coordination. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 9. Step one foot out to the side while raising both arms overhead and clap your hands together. Then bring your feet together as the arms lower. Step to the opposite side while opening both arms wide. This sequence strengthens the hips and thighs, mobilizes the shoulders, and improves lateral coordination. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 10. Stand with your feet wide and keep one hand on your hip. Turn your torso as the other hand lifts beside your face. Then shift your weight back and press that palm forward while the back leg extends behind. This twisting movement engages the waist and core, tones the hips and thighs, and supports belly fat burning. Switch sides. 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 11. Bend both forearms upward in front of your body with your hands near your shoulders. Then step 1 foot forward and lightly place the heel down while extending both arms straight behind you. Return to center and alternate sides. This movement strengthens the thighs and calves, opens the chest, and improves balance and lower body coordination. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 12. Interlace your fingers and reach both arms straight overhead. Then, lift one knee high in front while lowering both hands to rest on the raised knee. Return to standing and repeat smoothly. This coordinated movement engages the core and hips, improves balance, and helps boost metabolism. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 13. Step forward while crossing both arms in front of your body. Then lift one knee as you raise both hands overhead. Turn to the side, step into a gentle lunge, and lower both hands close to your waist. This sequence strengthens the legs, improves hip mobility, balance, and whole body coordination. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 14. Stand with your feet wide and arms extended to the sides. Bend diagonally to reach one hand toward the opposite foot while the other arm lifts upward. Then return to center and switch sides. This movement stretches the waist, activates the obliques, improves spinal mobility, and supports visceral fat reduction. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 15. Alternate lifting each knee while moving both arms naturally forward and back in rhythm. Repeat the movement at a comfortable pace, then gradually slow down. This closing exercise relaxes the legs and shoulders, supports circulation, and helps the body recover after the workout. Three, 2, 1. Relax. Amazing work today. Thank you for moving with me. Every gentle step you take is an investment in a stronger, healthier body. So stay consistent, keep showing up for yourself, and I'll see you in the next Tai Chi session.